Hello and welcome to Sauras's classes. Today we are going to solve some questions from reasoning ability. Reasoning is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it has the most conceptual complexity among the other subjects. Okay, to score in this portion you need to practice more and more, and you need to know all the concepts and small tricks to solve this question very fast in small time span. So let's check what is in this question. In each of the questions below are given 4 statements followed by 3 conclusions 1, 2 and 3. You have to take the given statements to be true even if they seem to be at variance from commonly known facts. Read all the conclusions and then decide which of the given conclusions logically follow from the given statements disregarding commonly known facts. So let's see the first statement. All booklets are packets. All packets are bottles. Some bottles are cans, and some cans are pitchers. So, to solve such questions, which is known as syllogism questions, we need to draw first the Venn diagram. So, first of all, in this question, we are given that all booklets are pitchers. Sorry, all booklets are packets. So, this is the booklet, and this is packet. Okay. Now, all packets are bottles. Some bottles are cans. And some cans are pitchers. Okay, so this is the required Venn diagram for this statement. Now let's see the conclusions. All pitchers are bottles. So the first statement says that all pitchers are bottles. Now let's check with the help of this Venn diagram that whether this statement is true or false. We can see that this is pitchers and this is bottles, and there is no link in between them. Therefore, all pitchers are bottles is a wrong statement. Now let's see the next statement. Some cans being packets is a possibility. Some cans being packets is a possibility. Now as we can see, this is the can set and this is the packet set, and there is a link between cans and packets. So we can say that some cans being packets, it may be a possibility. There is no such strong proof that the statement is not true. Therefore, we state that this is a right statement. Now let's see the third statement, which is third conclusion, that is some bottles are booklets. As we can see, that this is the bottle set and this is the booklet set, and from this Venn diagram we can say that some bottles are booklets. Therefore this statement is also right. Okay, therefore the correct answer is 2 and 3 follow. Therefore 5 is the correct answer. Now let's check the next statement. Some ropes are walls. Suppose this is ropes and this is walls. Some walls are sticks. All sticks are chairs. All chairs are tables. Okay, so this is the required diagram for this statement. Now let's check the first conclusion. Conclusion 1, which states that some tables are not walls. Tables are not walls. Some tables are not walls. This is the table set and this is the wall set, and we can see that some tables it must be some wall. Therefore the statement is wrong. Now let's see the next statement. All chairs are ropes. All chairs are ropes. This is the rope set and this is the chair set, and as we can see that there is no link in between them. Therefore the all chairs are rope is a wrong statement also. Now let's check the third one. The third conclusion is some stakes are definitely ropes. This is the stick set and this is the rope set, and as we can see there is no link in between them. Therefore this statement is also wrong. So in this way we can say that all the three conclusions are wrong. Therefore first option is the correct one. None follow. Okay, so that's all for today. If you want to know more about the concepts of reasoning ability, you can drop a message at WhatsApp in those two numbers, that is 9836793076 or 9874822756, or you just can check our website for further details, that is www.sorosclassclasses.com. Okay, thank you very much.